I'm Natalia. And today, it's Trick Tip Tuesday.
Before you do your side split jumps, make sure you're warmed up and stretched. Warm up with a few tuck jumps to help get your jumps high and off the ground. Don't forget to use your arms when you jump, it's really going to help. This is the position you want to hit in the air. Really reach for those toes and lean forward a little bit with the body. Really push both of those legs up as high as you can get them and as quick as you can. For a bit of a challenge, try the jump with no hands. Here's just a few other jumps you can use doing your side split jump.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. See you next time.